Good afternoon, or good morning, or whatever time of day you're watching this. Welcome, this is Steve's at Bucks Coins, and welcome to my channel. I've got today a set of coins from Russia. They're all small value, none of them are commemoratives. So we start them off with two 1 kopeck coins. Let's make sure I've got them the right way up for you. There you go, two 1 kopeck coin. One of them has got, I'm showing both sides of the coin here. One has the hammer and sickle in the garland, and the other one just has the value. Now this is the same with virtually all of these coins. You're going to have the garland on one side and the value on the other. None of these coins have mintages at all, so the second coins in this lot are 2 kopecks, and there are 4 of them. On this one you have the value, and also on this one, and these two have the Russian coat of arms. These coins aren't, as I say, they aren't very ornate, or they're not commemoratives from Russia. These are just basic old style Soviet coins. This one here is a 3 kopeck. As they graduate in value, they graduate in size as well. This one's 3 kopeck. In this hunt I don't have a 5 kopeck coin to show you. This is a 3 kopeck. Value on this side, coat of arms on this one. As I say, none of these coins have a mintage. There are 1, 2, 3, 6 coins here that are all 10 kopecks. So I'll put 3 of them into the bag and show you 3. The best 3. You've got the value of 10 kopecks there. You have the Russian emblem there, and then I'll put another 10 kopeck side up on this one. So this is the first of the silver coins, and we have 2 other silver coins to show you in this video. Again, none of these, they all date from the late 50s to the early 80s. They were in a set of coins that I bought, hoping that there would be a couple of unusual or a couple of non-standard coins, but unfortunately the bag, which consisted of around about 70 or so coins, so it's 50 or so coins, were all these lower kopeck coins. None of them were of a larger kopeck. So this one here is the 15 kopeck coin. I have 2 of them, and in this hunt, and they're the 2 different sides. And finally we have 4 20 kopeck coins. There's one, there's another, there's a third, and finally the 4th one. And these 4 are the highest value that I have in this particular hunt. Again, nothing spectacular with these. I bought these coins, as I said, hoping, I bought a bag of 50 coins, and I was hoping in those 50 coins there'd be 2 or 3 nice coins that would be a little bit different from the rest of the standard Soviet coins. However, that didn't turn out to be the case. It's sort of a buyer beware sort of thing. I think it cost me about 8 quid, 9 quid. I should have known at that sort of money. So it's not 8 or 9 quid, it was either 7 or 8, 6 or 7 quid. And there may have been a pound or two postage and packing. Value wise, it was a mistake to have them in, if you're talking about pure value. However, I do have a small date run of the Soviet coins now, or Soviet Russia, the CCCP or USSR version of the coins. So that's the good thing that's come out of it. I was a little disappointed in myself for not reading between the lines and seeing what was actually going on. But that ends this particular hunt. Not any great shakes in finding unusual coins, but it gives you a good idea of what the Soviet coinage was like between the Cold War era. So, if you've enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. If you believe I deserve your subscription, please would you subscribe. I do a minimum of 4 and usually 5 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. I am trying to improve my subscriber level to 250 by the end of this year of 2023. I'm currently at 196, so if you can help me, I will be grateful. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, I hope, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.